Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Thunder video. So in this video I will show you how you can remove your background from any photo. For this you have to go to a particular website. You can just type this website in your browser. So I will give this link in my description box. You can just click on it and get access to the website. So for this you have to upload your photo to the website. So here you can see upload your photo button, just press on it. Okay, here is the option drag and drop image or browse on your device. You can select any of these options. I will just drag and drop my photo. Okay, let's Adobe AI do the work. Okay, now it's saying removing the background, refining the edges, mixing some art and science, removing the background. So here is the output. You can just click on download and download it from here. So let's press on download. So it will ask me to sign up. If you have already an account, you can sign in. So I will just continue to my account. Skip and continue. Let's click on download again. You can see that download has been completed, and here is the output. Look at this, guys. The edges are sharp and the background removal is too good. You can try it out. Let's try the same thing with another image. So I will drag and drop another image to the website, and it will take some time. So here is the output. Again, a brilliant work, and you can just download it from here. Let's see the output. The output is great. So let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you so much.